Hello creative minds, want to add some flair to your design? Let's dive into how to add filters and give your project that perfect touch. Here's how you can add filters to your design in Adobe Express. Open the Adobe Express app and either start a new project or open an existing one. Select the image or graphic you want to apply a filter to. Tap on the Effects or Filters option from the editing menu. Browse through the available filters and select the one that enhances your design the best. You can adjust the intensity of the filter by sliding the control to make it just right for your image. Experiment with multiple filters to create a unique style or combine them with other effects like blur or shadows for added depth. If the filter isn't showing properly, try adjusting the image brightness or contrast to get the best result. Which filter is your go-to for design? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.